Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn English with a banana. Let's get started.
What am I doing in this video? I am peeling the banana and now I'm slicing it into small pieces. What am I doing? I am slicing it into small pieces and here I'm mashing it with fork. I am mashing it with fork. What is she doing in this video? She is eating the banana. What? She is eating the banana.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Your one click boosts my motivation.
गो बनानास एक इंग्लिश इडियम है जिसका मतलब होता है टू लूज कंट्रोल ऑफ योर इमोशंस ईदर बिकॉज यू आर सुपर हैप्पी और सुपर एंग्री मीन्स इसे हम दो सिचुएशन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं या तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो या बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से में हो लेट्स टेक एग्जाम्पल Here is the first example. In this video, she is going bananas after coming out, which means she is super happy and excited. Here is the second example. She is going bananas with anger because the door is locked. Now it's your turn. Here is your homework, which makes you go bananas more, being happy or being angry. Complete the sentence I go bananas when and drop your answer in the comment below.